So, hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of the AI and the Android merging project in Codersarts. So, in this project idea, we are going to discuss a new project idea named as Assist. So, it is basically a fitness application which is AI powered and personal training for enhance the fitness. So, let's move to the introductory part. Introducing Fit Assist, an innovative fitness solution for harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionizing the personal training and home workouts with the rise of the AI in the fitness industry. Fit Assist offers to personalized guidance, real-time feedback, and advanced features to optimize the user fitness routine and improve overall health. So in current there is a lot of application present in the market without an AI. So there is a lot of human needs to handle this application, but while using the artificial intelligence, we are going to tackle this problem. So what is the problem statement here? Traditional fitness application routine often lack of the personalized guidance, as I say in the introduction. Introduction, feedback, and the accountability, leading to the suboptimal result and lack of motivation. With the increasing demand of the home workout and the remote training option, there is a need of AI-driven solution and to enhance the fitness experiences and effectiveness. So, what is the solution we are going to provide? Fitassist address these challenges by leveraging the AI technology to provide the personalized training program, real-time feedback on form and techniques, and interactive coaching experience by combining AI with the wearable devices and the smart fitness equipment. Fitassist offer the user to comprehensive and immersive fitness solution to achieving their health and the wellness goals. So, what is the key feature we are going to do in this application? Personalized training plans. Utilize the AI algorithm to create a customized workout plans to tailor each user's to fitness level and goals and the preferences. And secondly, we are going to do a real-time feedback that's offer the instant feedback on exercise form, posture techniques, and the AI-powered analysis and visual cues. Interactive coaching basically provide the interactive coaching session where users are receive the guidance and the instruction on the exercises, pacing and intensity. So moving to the fourth one, progress tracking, monitor user progress, performance metrics, and other fitness goals over time, allowing the continuous improvement to the goal setting. And last is the virtual personal trainer. So simulate the one-on-one training experiences with the AI-based trainer who is providing the individual guidance and support throughout the workout. So if you want to continue with this idea, we can also create application of the fitness app with the AI moderated things. And if you have any other idea for your college assignment project, so you can just drop a mail at the contact@coderas.com. So thank you everyone.